Today's subject is pharmaceutics 2 and chapter number 2 is incompatibility and the subtopic is therapeutic incompatibility. Then in this lecture we have to see the reasons of therapeutic incompatibility. We have to see the third reason, that is synergistic and antagonistic drugs. Then first we see what is synergism. This theory of synergistic and antagonistic drugs are based on the combination effect of the drug. Then what do you mean by synergism? For example, it is syn, S-Y-N. Syn means together and ergon, E-R-G-O-N. Ergon means working together for action. Therefore, the combination effect of drug is required for synergistic and antagonistic drugs. We have to see by the simple example, effect of, in this synergism, the effect of two drugs are in same direction. Therefore, the effect of drug A plus B, it is simply understood by the equation, effect of drug A plus B equals to effect of drug A and effect of drug B. Therefore, for example, 2 plus 2 equals to 4. That is the synergistic or synergism. Then what is definition of synergism? When two drugs prescribed together, they tend to increase the activity of each other. They tend to increase, this is important, increase the activity of each other is termed as synergism. The synergism is intentional in nature. Intentional means known to the doctor. Means the prescriber prescribes the drugs together in order to increase the activity of drugs. Therefore, synergism is intentional in nature. For example, the combination of first aspirin and second is drug is paracetamol increase the analgesic activity. Means the combination of these two drugs, that is aspirin and paracetamol, increase the analgesic activity. In some cases, the combination of drugs leads to the disastrous consequences. Therefore, this type of prescription is referred back to the physician for necessary correction. Then we have to take one example. For example, RX, amphetamine sulfate 20 mg, ephedrine sulfate 100 mg, syrup up to 100 ml and make a mixture. This is the example of synergism. In this prescription, the combination of two sympathomimetic drugs, that is amphetamine sulfate and ephedrine sulfate. Sympathomimetic drug means we stimulate the sympathetic nervous system with their additive effect. Therefore, there is a need to reduce the dose of each drug. Therefore, this prescription is referred back to the prescriber. Means in this prescription there is combination of two sympathomimetic drugs, that is amphetamine sulfate and ephedrine sulfate. Combination of two drugs with the additive effect. Therefore, there is a need to reduce the dose of the drug, dose of each drug. Therefore, this prescription is referred back to the prescriber for necessary correction. This is all about the synergism. Then we have to take, next is the antagonism. What do you mean by antagonism? Anta means against. When two drugs having opposite pharmacological action are, if two drugs having opposite pharmacological effect are prescribed together, the antagonism occurs. Means there are the opposite action of two drugs when prescribed together. For example, RX, acetyl salicylic acid 0.6 gram, probenecid 0.5 gram. In this prescription, the both drugs which are used in the treatment of gout. This combination of these two drugs leads to neutralization. There is a neutralization when these two drugs are combined together. Therefore, this prescription is referred back for necessary correction. because in this prescription the combination of acetylsalicylic acid and propionate, these are opposite action drug, means this is antagonistic drug. When these drugs are given the combination, this takes to neutralization, means there is no pharmacological action of this prescription. Therefore, this prescription is referred back to the prescriber for necessary correction. The next problem is fifth is drug interaction. Drug interaction means the effect of one drug altered by prior or simultaneous administration of another drug. It is called as drug interaction, means the effect of one drug can alter by prior means पहले or simultaneous साथ में administration of another drug. It is called as drug interaction. The drug interaction can be minimized by proper adjustment of the doses. Proper adjustment of doses if interaction is detected. Then next example is, where to example RX acetophenetidine 150 mg, acetyl salicylic acid 200 mg, caffeine 30 mg and same 10 capsule. In this prescription, the acetophenetidine and acetyl salicylic are analgesics in nature. But in this, acetophenetidine depresses the CNS, central nervous system, and this is the side effect, and this side effect is undesirable in nature. This is the side effect of acetophenetidine, that is CNS depression, and this side effect is undesirable. But in this prescription, the caffeine is also available, is a CNS stimulant, and which neutralizes the side effect of acetophenetidine. Therefore, this prescription is intentional in nature. This is the intentional by the prescriber, and therefore this prescription is prescribed as such. There is, in this prescription, there is no change, because this prescription is intentional in nature, because it is add the caffeine as a CNS stimulant, and which neutralize the side effect of acetophenetidine, that is CNS depressant. Therefore, this prescription is intentional in nature, and therefore this prescribed as such to the patient. So this is all about the drug interaction.